Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna create a quick in-depth head-to-head comparison review between these two podcasting tools, which is Podcastle and Streamlabs. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Podcastle is perfect for creators who wants a simple browse-based setup with clear audio and easy editing tools. It handles multi-track record, automatic cleanup, and transition effortlessly. It's great for beginners or interview style shows, and it's also like deep editing control and advanced customization option. Talking about Streamlabs, on the other hand, also it's a Podcastle suite with mix of video or mix of live. It offers a pro high streaming tools, overlays, and audience engagement features that makes shows look polished, but it can feel complex and heavy for users who just want audio recording. So for pure podcasting, Podcastle wins for simplicity, while Streamlabs wins for versatility. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.